Hi, hello, welcome to Bell English. Today, we are going to look at an opportunity provided by Cognizant Technology. So, this is a company which has both development, information technology development services, and ITES, information technology enabled services as well. So, this company provides a wide openings both on contractual and regular full-time basis. Most of these job opportunities are currently work from home. So these are provided in an option with work from home for time being, and certain jobs are altogether a work from home opportunity. So before we get into the detail of these job postings, if you are a new viewer to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and click that bell icon next to it so that you'll receive regular job updates. So now, few hand-picked positions are being highlighted today. So one such position, and before I explain them, so most importantly, all of these positions are open for freshers, and few opportunities are open for people who has a background in certain applications irrespective of their education background. So you can very well check on these job opportunities. I have given the link in the description box for all these opportunities through a reference website. You can access them and access all the positions. You can apply whichever is applicable for you. And this is one position as business associate. So for this, you have to have skills in Windows, irrespective of your other education qualifications. Things are not mattered here. It's just that you have high level of exposure in Windows. This is a contractual position, and the job position is still open. And then again, one more contract option is this intern. The position name is intern. You should have exposure in MS Office. So it's a daytime job. Again, that's a contractual job. So then you've got permanent jobs. These are the permanent jobs where a program trainee is the designation name. You should have a qualification of science or engineering graduate. So you can be a fresher, but still you should have science or engineering graduation, and you should understand functional aspects of the client's requirement, and then raise clarifications in case of any issues, concerns regarding the work output to lead on time. So you have to adhere to the schedule, maintain effective work relationship, interpersonal skill with your team member and the supervisor. You have to adhere to the policies of the organization. Even you have to follow the protocol of the organization. Participate in projects and organization initiative led by the delivery leadership. Ensure appropriate classifications and prioritization of tasks. Comply with defined process during task execution and provide periodic task level updates as required. And then for documentation, you have to assist with the documentation process, and you have to create application specific reports such as SLA KPIs and performance aspects. These things would be trained like very well for the resources. So you'll be trained as soon as you are selected. So you'll be able to understand these technical terms like SLA KPIs and those kind of reporting structures. And learning and development, yeah, of course you have to take part in them. So participating in the call and status reportings, and you must have skills in ServiceNow performance analytics and ServiceNow scripting. That's an additional expectation put up by the company. It's a full-time opportunity. And you have program analyst training. This is entirely for the people who knows MS Excel, irrespective of your educational background. Just that if you know MS Excel, you can very well apply for this position. This is open for anyone so who has much exposure, any graduate, fresher who has exposure in MS Excel can apply for this program analyst training. And then you have another position. This is like program analyst trainee. This is specifically for Office 365. You should have application knowledge of Office 365. Again, this is a full-time employment, so you can be of any graduation or any degree. So if at all you know Office 365 suit very well, you can apply for this position. And next comes analyst business analyst business development. So analyst business development is for someone who has completed MBA but still a fresher. So it comes under BD lead and BD manager. You should be in a position to take up these responsibilities and opportunities from the management. So you have to follow with responses from the owners, timely completions, gathering information, tracking them, maintaining the pre-sales report, supporting the compliance initiative, plan for the action, and creating MOMs, and then be a point of contact for all the activities from the perspective and the leadership reviews, and create and assist preparing presentations, collateral for sales supports, support in creation of marketing collaterals, files, and building IP through white papers and templates management. So these things are as a responsibilities lies with you, and you have to coordinate the client visits as well. So you have to be specifically skilled in business services, claims, and home delivery. It's a full-time employment and it's still open. You can apply for this position if at all you are a fresher with an MBA graduation. And this position is process executive data. So you have to be a commerce graduate, can be a fresher as well, and you shouldn't be having BE, BTech, MCA, arts and science graduations. Your responsibilities is meeting or exceeding the SLA of the process, quality in terms of quality, in terms of maintaining the TAT, etc. And 100% compliance of process adherence. This is quite common in all the positions they are posted. Invoice processing, processing payroll, tax, garnished updates, ensure compliance, and ensure individual productivity, meet internal process metrics, and adhere to audit compliance, complete all mandatory assessments, updating vendor master, and then processing simple purchase order, non-purchase order invoices. So it's completely like accounts related stuff, and that's why they've asked for someone from the commerce background. So vendor balance, updating employee database, payroll, tax, garnishment, corrections, and then handling RFQs, price difference, contracts. So everything specifically related to the accounts department, and you are part of this team, and you have to be a graduate from commerce. And if at all you got sufficient experience, also you can project it here, but still the fresher is very much preferred for this particular opportunity. So if at all you're a fresher from commerce background, you can very well apply for this position. So these are the guidelines you have to be followed, and you have to follow them according to the documentation process, according to the documents which they have made already. And in specific to people and time management, you have to align with individual goals, teams objectives, participate in the organizational activities, record your attendance and timesheet related data properly, contribute and participate proactively in knowledge sharing sessions. It's like exactly the knowledge sharing, and that is how you'll create process improvements as well. Accounts payable process, and you should know P2P, procurement to payments. So it's a full-time employment, still open for people who have completed their graduation in commerce. And I've given details, the links below in the description through a reference website. You can access all these positions. There are a few more still available on their websites. You can of course visit them, cross-check them, and you can apply whichever is suitable for you. You have to click this button, apply now, as soon as you get into the lands on the page, and you have to click the apply, and then you have to agree for candidate privacy note, and here you have to upload your resume. Okay, it has to be an updated resume in a document format, Word format, or a PDF format, can be RTF and text format, rich text and text format as well. Then you have to fill in your name, first name, last name, email address, and your primary contact number. And if at all you were previously employed with Cognizant, okay, so you have to select that. And if yes, it's your employee ID, the previous employee ID. If not, you can skip it. And your total experience, okay, so if at all you're a fresher, you have to select 0. And mention about your skill sets. It can be like interpersonal skills, and then management skills, team ability, and agile. So those are the skill sets which you have to mention here in specific. And as soon as you click the next, it will go for application, and your application would go through another set of verification, and then that will take you to the final page where you have to submit the application. So I've given the details of this posting, the website link, URL in the below description box. You can use them. So if at all you got any doubts or questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. So we'll meet you soon with another new job posting. Till then, take care. Bye.